Welcome. If you're facing issues with Pinterest not working, don't worry. Today, we'll walk through some effective steps to get your app back on track. Let's dive in. First, the simplest solution is to close the app and reopen it. Sometimes, a quick restart can resolve minor glitches. Just swipe up or use the app switcher to close Pinterest completely, then tap the app icon again to launch it. Next, it's essential to check your internet connection. Open your device's settings and click on the network icon. Ensure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If your connection is weak or intermittent, it could be causing the issues with Pinterest. If your internet is fine, the next step is to restart your device. A fresh start can often clear up any lingering issues that might be affecting app performance. After restarting, open Pinterest again and see if the problem persists. If you're still having trouble, it's time to clear the app cache. Go to your device settings and locate the Pinterest settings. Once there, look for an option that says Clear Data. Click on that, then choose Clear Cache. Confirm this action to remove any temporary files that may be causing problems. After clearing the cache, check if Pinterest is functioning properly. If not, consider reinstalling the app as a last resort. Uninstall Pinterest from your device and then head over to the App Store or Google Play Store to download it again. This ensures you have the latest version of the app with all updates and bug fixes. By following these steps, closing and reopening the app, checking your internet connection, restarting your device, and clearing the app cache, you should be able to resolve most issues with Pinterest not working. Thank you for tuning in. If these tips helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy pinning!